from Gino, the Keto, the Guido, capiche. Coming at you guys today with a quick video of making fried cauliflower rice. I have gotten a few requests from you guys for me to make the fried cauliflower rice. I had just did a video on sesame chicken the other day, and I used this as my side. So, if you are new to my channel, welcome. Glad to have you. Please hit that subscribe button. It is free to subscribe to my channel. So please hit that subscribe button. Please give me a big thumbs up, and then hit the bell notification. You'll get notified every time I post a new video. So let's get into this. This will not be a very long video. It's going to be a simple, easy how-to. Alright, I am going to be using frozen cauliflower rice, and I will just be microwaving this for about 3 minutes. I want it to be hot, but it doesn't have to be cooked all the way through. But then I'm gonna show you the trick on how to get it nice and fluffy, and we will get back to doing that in a second. Let me just go microwave this. Hey guys, Gino back here from Gino, the Keto, the Guido, capiche. As you know, I said I'm gonna be making the fried cauliflower rice. Also, I add vegetables, alright? I'm going to be adding these mixed vegetables, frozen vegetables. Obviously, there's some corn and peas, which technically aren't keto, but nobody got fat off of eating vegetables. Does not kick me out of ketosis, and a lot of people do use these. And I'm putting a small quantity in, and this is what I have in the house. Hey guys, Gino back here from Gino, the Keto, the Guido, capiche. Like I told you, this is my cauli rice, right? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just cut a little hole there. I'm going to take, because this is hot, I'm going to take a towel around it, and we're just going to squeeze the water out. I'm just going to squeeze all that water out, and you'll see. Use a towel so you don't burn your hands. And we're just going to keep doing this, squeezing all this water out, and I will come back to you in a minute on what this looks like. Alright guys, so this is after all the water is crushed out of this, okay? And it's going to be easier and simple, and I will be doing chicken fried rice. So we're going to go to the next step. Alright guys, back here, all the water's out of my rice. I got avocado oil in the pan. Heat that up. And this is simple. It's cooking up fast. Okay. Hey, gonna put a little bit of garlic salt, a little bit of the toasted sesame. That gives it that nice, authentic Chinese flavoring, and a little of the liquid amino. Alright, got all there. That gives it the flavor. It's toasting up nicely. Alright. Now, like I said, the mixed vegetables, put that in there. Alright. We're going to keep this on that side, one side there, while I'm doing the next step. Alright, so I am going to use 2 eggs. You're going to push it to one side of the pan, and you're going to crack your eggs. You're going to put them right in there. That. Oops. Not the shell. Alright then, I'm just gonna go like this, scramble them up. Keep it all on one side of the pan, like that. Put a little more oil in there. You're gonna cook your eggs. Cook them all up. Again, guys, if you are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. It is free. Alright, like, share, and comment, and please put this on your personal pages. Like I said, this is going to be just a quick little how-to recipe on how to make the fried rice that you seen me make the other day. Alright, and I got chicken, alright? So now, the egg is cooked. We're going to combine this. Alright, I added the chicken. Very simple. I did chicken fried rice, but you can do pork if you got any type of meat. Very simple and easy. The soy or the cocoa amino acids, that's, low carbs, and the toasted sesame gives it that authentic Chinese flavor. You can actually eat this as a meal with the protein in it if you just, the egg and the chicken is protein. But you could have this as a side. But with the meat in it, you can actually, eat this as a meal. When I made the regular chicken dish, I didn't put chicken on top of it. I just made the fried rice and then put the meal on top. But I've had a couple of people ask me to do a video on making the fried rice, so this is it. And here it is, guys, the delicious chicken fried rice. Throw a little scallion on top. Delicious. Back here from Gino, the Keto, the Guido Capiche. As you can see, the steam is coming out of his bowl. We're going to do a quick taste test. Let me just grab a towel. So, simple and easy. One of my favorites. But like I said, I had several people ask me how to make this or how I make it, and I make it this way. And you could add a protein. This time I added the pre-cooked chicken because I had it, but you can do shrimp, pork, whatever you want. This is fried cauliflower rice, chicken cauliflower fried rice with some veggies, the egg. You do it all in one pan. You crack the eggs. I did 2 eggs, crack them on the side, push everything over, as I showed in the video, but I will link below. Alright guys, thanks for joining me today. And if you're new to this channel, welcome. Please hit that subscribe button, subscribe to this channel. Give me a big thumbs up. Please share this to your personal pages, that'd be awesome. And thanks for joining me again. Have a wonderful day. And this is Gino, the Keto, the Guido, saying capiche and ciao.